Welcome. And today we have Steve Caroselli of Orion Entrance Control, as well as Kelly Watt, CEO of Visual Plan. In a previous conversation that we had, we talked a little bit about Visual Plan, but instead of us talking about it, Kelly, why don't you introduce Visual Plan to the world and tell us how your software plays?
Yeah, appreciate the invite, Steve. Great to see you again. And the software tool is to create digital twins using 360 imagery. So the real benefit is you can use a $1,000 360 camera on a hard hat or a tripod, walk through a large facility and capture 100% of the information. And that's processed into a 3D tour or Google Street View, if you like, that we can measure from. In addition to that, we aggregate other types of information, so your 2D CAD, your BIM, your LiDAR, drone data. So it becomes this tool where we can compare data, share it, and collaborate. And that's kind of why we're working with Steve here on some of his projects.
And Steve, we talked about Constellation, which are the sensors using radar, and Visual Plan is an important partner in Constellation installations.
Yeah, absolutely. What we learned early on, our history is turnstiles, and you can figure out a turnstile layout with a tape measure and a picture. Sometimes you don't even need the picture. But when we're installing thousands of sensors across a floor plan with radar data specifically, there's certain things you need to look out for. So the digital twin with this product, with Visual Plan, makes it so that we don't have to have engineers on site. We can map a place, as Kelly said, very quickly and effectively, and then be able to not only place sensors, but then during the design phase, but also utilize that during the installation phase so that product gets placed properly. And as Kelly said, there's lots of information we can add into that model space at that point so that somebody has access to how to install something and where to install it and what to look out for. Sometimes when we even get clients to send us still photos, we say, there's other stuff going on here. We need to get a visual plan in place. So it's been a great tool to use. And as we started to learn how to use it, and it's easy to use.
For more information, please reach out to the email or phone number listed on the screen or visit orioneci.com.